Hello everyone and welcome back to KnowHow. In today's video, we will be exploring some fundamental statistical measures, the mean, mode and median. These terms are commonly used in statistics to summarize and analyze data. Understanding their definitions and calculation is crucial for gaining insight from numerical information.
Don't forget to subscribe now and press the bell icon for more videos.
Let's begin with the mean. The mean, also known as the average, is a measure of central tendency. It represents the sum of all values in a dataset divided by the total number of values. The mean is often used to understand the typical or average values of a dataset. This is an exemplary data that I will use to teach you mean, mode and median. To calculate the mean, I will write equal average and then select the dataset, close the bracket and press enter. Now after calculating the mean for the first parameter, you don't need to put the formula over and over again. You just have to go to the first average that you have calculated and then go to the bottom right corner of this cell and drag it to the right. After doing this, I am going to reduce the decimal by going to this button under the Home tab, that is decrease decimal, and round off to the 2 decimal place. Next we have the mode. The mode is a value that appear most frequently in a dataset. In other words, it is a value that occurs with the highest frequency. The mode can be useful when you want to identify the most common or popular value in a given dataset. To calculate the mode, I will write equal and then mode dot mult function and then select this dataset, close this bracket and press enter. To calculate the mode for the other parameters, I will drag this to the right. Now you can see that there are some parameters which are showing the not applicable. This is because these parameters do not have any repeating numbers in the dataset. Lastly, let's talk about median. The median is the middle value in the dataset. When the values are arranged in ascending or descending order, it divides the dataset into two equal halves. The median is particularly helpful when dealing with skewed or non-systematic data, as it is less affected by the extreme values as compared to the mean. To calculate the median, I will write equal median, select this function and then select the dataset, close this bracket and press enter. And for the other values, drag it to the right. So this is how you can calculate mean, mode and median in any dataset. And there you have it. In this tutorial, we learned how to calculate mean, mode and median using Microsoft Excel. These statistical measures can provide valuable insight and help you analyze data efficiently. Remember, Excel offers a wide range of functions and capabilities for working with data, so continue exploring and experimenting with the powerful tools. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe and leave any question or comment below. Until next time, happy calculating.